Uranus. Uranus is a very cold and windy world. The ice giant is surrounded by 13 faint rings and 28 small moons. Uranus rotates at a nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. This unique tilt makes Uranus appear to spin sideways, orbiting the Sun like a rolling ball. Uranus's environment is not conducive to life as we know it. The temperatures, pressures, and materials that characterize this planet are most likely too extreme and volatile for organisms to adapt to. With an equatorial diameter of 31,763 miles, 51,118 kilometers, Uranus is 4 times wider than Earth. If Earth was the size of a nickel, Uranus would be about as big as a softball. From an average distance of 1.8 billion miles, 2.9 billion kilometers, Uranus is about 19 astronomical units away from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit, abbreviated as O, is the distance from the Sun to Earth. From this distance, it takes sunlight 2 hours and 40 minutes to travel from the Sun to Uranus. 1 day on Uranus takes about 17 hours. This is the amount of time it takes Uranus to rotate, or spin once around its axis. Uranus makes a complete orbit around the Sun, a year in Uranian time, in about 84 Earth years, 30,687 Earth days. Uranus is the only planet whose equator is nearly at a right angle to its orbit, with a tilt of 97.77 degrees. Uranus has 2 sets of rings. The inner system of 9 rings consists mostly of narrow, dark gray rings. There are 2 outer rings. The innermost one is reddish-like dusty rings elsewhere in the solar system, and the outer ring is blue like Saturn's E ring. Uranus is one of 2 ice giants in the outer solar system, the other is Neptune. Most, 80% or more, of the planet's mass is made up of a hot dense fluid of icy materials, water, methane, and ammonia, above a small rocky core. Near the core, it heats up to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 4,982 degrees Celsius. Uranus's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, with a small amount of methane and traces of water and ammonia. The methane gives Uranus its signature blue color. Neptune. Dark,